So till now we talked about motions, operator, and text objects. Uh, Now I'll talk briefly about very handy command in Vim. That's dot. So when we covered motions, I mentioned that if you want to repeat a command, you can prefix the command with any integer which will repeat whatever motion or operator you want for multiple times. But if your command is combination of motion and operators or text objects, and then you want to repeat it on some other place rather than where the cursor is, then dot comes in pretty handy. I'll show you with an example. Right. So let's say here I want to delete a word. Hello, right? Then what I can do is I can do the in word, right? So that deleted a word. Uh, and now let's say I just want to run the command again. Then I just have to type, boom, it just deleted the next word, which was in essentially what it did is basically executed the command which I previously run. Okay, let's take some complex case. Let's say I want to replace all the characters enclosed in double quote with something else. I type CI double quote. Let's say I want to replace it with right. So now what my previous command did is basically replace hello how are you with I'm fine. Now let's say I want to execute the same command on the text block. Then I just have to do it dot. Then just execute the command which I ran on the fifth line. Right. Let's take one more example maybe. Let's say I want to delete the first line. Let's say then what we can do is type dd. dd essentially deletes the current line. The same goes for yy. Double y yanks the current line, or cc, which deletes the current line and prompt us with insert mode. Right. For now, let's say I just deleted the line with double D. Now let's say I want to do the same thing on this line. I just type dot. Dot might come in very handy or when we want to repeat our last executed command.